Exercise 10.4, question number 15. This question was asked in the year 2010, 2014 and 2020, carrying 5 marks in the Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. Question number 15. The angle of elevation of a bird from the eye of a man on the bank of a pond is 30 degree, and the angle of depression of its reflection in the pond is 60 degree. Find the height of the bird above the pond if the distance of the eye from the foot of the man is 1.5 meter. So here the man is standing on the bank of the pond and he is observing a bird above the pond. Let's say this is the pond. The man is standing on the bank and the bird is flying above the pond. This is the position of the bird. So this will give the height of the bird above the pond. AB, let's call the height of the man. CD, the height of the bird above the pond. And since we are observing from here, from the eye of the man, we have to draw a horizontal line. Let's call it E. Now the man is observing not only the bird but also its reflection in the pond. Let us draw the reflection of the bird in the pond. Let's say this is the image formed by the bird inside the pond. This and this should be assumed equal because we are assuming the pond, surface of the pond as a reflecting surface, making this CD as the object distance and this CF as the image distance. Object distance should be equal to image distance, that is CD equal to CF in any case. Let's remember this. Now the distance between the eye and the foot of the man is 1.5 meter, so this should also be 1.5 meter. Now from the eye of the man, let us first observe the bird. This is the line of sight, so the angle of elevation as given by the equation is 30 degree. And now again let us observe the image or the reflection in the pond, whose angle is 60 degree depression. Now our figure is ready. Let's start writing. Let AB equal to 1.5 meter be the height of the man and CD be the height of the bird above the pond, such that angle of elevation of the bird, elevation of the bird and angle of depression of its reflection are angle DAE 30 degree and angle EAF equal to 60 degree from the eye of the man. Then let's first go for the right triangle AED. In the right triangle AED, as usual, let us take tan theta in this triangle. Tan theta is equal to, theta is 30 degree here, perpendicular by the base, perpendicular DE, the base as AE. Tan 30 from the table is 1 by root 3 DE by AE. And cross multiplying, AE equal to root 3 DE. Let us call this equation 1. And now let us go for the right triangle AEF, which is inverted. In the right triangle AEF, once again tan theta, that is 60 degree. In this triangle, perpendicular will be EF, the base is AE, EF by AE. Tan 60 from the table is root 3. EF can be written as 1.5 plus FC or CF. And AE can be replaced as root 3 DE. Alright, using equation 1, using value of AE. Now cross multiplying this, root 3 into root 3 gives 3 DE equal to 1.5 plus CF. CF, as I said before, CF is equal to CD. So in place of CF, I'll be writing CD. 3 DE equal to 1.5 plus, now CD can be written as DE plus 1.5. DE plus 1.5 in place of CD. DE plus 1.5. DE plus 1.5. 3 times DE. Now adding 1.5 and 1.5 gives 3 plus DE. So 3 DE, transposing DE to the left, DE equal to 3. 3 DE minus DE gives twice DE equal to 3. So now DE alone will be 3 by 2, that is 1.5 meter. Continue here. Therefore, height of the bird above the pond. Let's see height of the bird above the pond. It is CD. CD. And looking at the figure, CD means CE plus DE. CE plus DE. CE is 1.5, and DE, let's see the result we got here, 1.5 again. That gives 3 meter.